Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first open the Muviz Edge application and select one from the available tabs. Just click to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds, just swipe to the up or to the down to switch the available backgrounds. For example, I'll use this one. Click apply. Tap to music controls to hide them after 30 seconds or just after 10, or just to don't hide them. Slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. And to activate the turn off to show notifications and date, you should click to the swatches. And to show battery status always while charging or never, just select one from these available options. So click to go back to X icon, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. Here on the right upper corner we got the switcher just to activate and turn off the always on display option. Here all we can see that on lock screen we could show it always while device charging, on music. So to change brightness level from 30 to 100, to increase or decrease it, slide to the left or to the right side is volume panel. Also we could switch the timeout from 5 minutes to never, to use the low power after 15 seconds or just to never, to change the screen orientation from the portrait to the landscape, to close it with a down pull on single tap on the lock screen, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time, and to use it in a pocket mode and to disable it during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AOD option on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.